this video I'm going to be showing you how I made this cute like book star garland. I've seen like millions of these before, and I had this old book that I wasn't really using, and I thought, why not use it to make this garland. This is a really easy like craft, so you only need a couple of supplies and you really don't need a tutorial for how to do this. This is more just kind of like a chill craft with me kind of vibe video. So anyways. So I originally was planning on making the stars with my Cricut Joy, which in theory should work, but you will see what ends up happening with that. So most importantly, you're going to need a book. I decided to use this paperback copy of Hound of the Baskervilles because I already have a hardcover copy, so make sure that the one you're using is one that you are okay tearing. And here's where it all went wrong. I put it through my Cricut, and because the pages were so thin, the blade was kind of like getting stuck and tearing things. So that did not work. Basically, what I ended up doing instead was just using a normal piece of cardstock and put it through there, and then made like a kind of template. Here I am trying to freehand a star, which didn't really work either, so that's why I ended up making a template. If you have a like thicker page that you're using, that probably would work better, but obviously you don't need to use a Cricut to make these. You can just freehand cut them, make your own stencil, just, you know. Then what I'm doing is using this gold leaf paint marker to paint the edges of the stars, just because I wanted them to be a little bit more like shiny. So this is optional, but it does make them look pretty. Then I'm just taking a hole punch and punching in 2 holes towards the top, and then I'm going to take my string and kind of thread that through. And then finally, I had finished making my garland, so I was ready to hang it up. I also made a couple stars that were just all gold, just to kind of like add some contrast, I don't know. And I decided to put mine above my bed because I liked how it looks with the lights. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Maybe this inspired you to make your own star book garland. Let me know. If you did like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and I will see you all later. Bye.